Okay, if you clicked on this video, I bet you are interested in how to bring together a hybrid meeting. There are many videos introducing webcams, microphones, or softwares like Zoom. They are all necessary when it comes to a hybrid meeting. However, how to bring things together? This product integrates all devices into one system, install it in the meeting room, and you can bring laptop, pad, cell phone into the meeting and can easily utilize the hybrid meeting system to interact with your online members. So W50 is a box that you can install in your meeting room. Just put it on the desktop or install it underneath the table if you want a clean table. You will find the mounting brackets in the package for this use. Let's get a closer look at this machine. Here are two video inputs, one for Type-C and one for HDMI. And here is a HDMI output, so you can hook up to the meeting room TV. They support up to 4K 30, and I bet this is totally enough for your use in the meeting room. Here is also a USB 3 hub. It is perfect to connect your meeting room webcam, speakerphone, whatever peripherals you need for the hybrid meeting system. Assume that I'm attending a hybrid meeting in this room with my invisible colleagues, and I'm the presenter and I bring my work laptop into the meeting. I'm gonna use the Type-C cable and connect to my laptop. So next thing is that my screen will show on the TV, and my laptop now can use the webcam and the microphone for the virtual meeting. If you don't get a Type-C jack on your laptop, don't worry, you can use an HDMI instead. For the screen sharing, it's perfectly the same. How are you?
Hi. Yeah, great. I'm doing great.
So I'm doing a demo for the about W50 for my audience. So can you just stay online with me, please?
Bruce.
Okay. So this dongle, you can connect only laptops, but also cell phones, iPad, and whatever devices that have a Type-C to connect to, as long as the port supports video out. First, let's pair it with the W50. Here is a hearing port on the front panel. You can show it's pairing and it's done successfully. I can pull it out and connect to my laptop. Wait for the light to on stably. Okay, now click the button. You can see my screen is already sharing now. So if I sit by the corner and cannot reach these cables, wireless connection is extremely convenient, and this little thing is easy to hand over to whoever needs it.